Gonna show you guys real quick. I think I did a little video on my setup, but I'll do it again. So this is my GoPro mount in here. Probably just gonna go back to my phone mount once I get a 7 and just run that outside and fix my phone. So I got another GoPro mount back here, haven't used yet. I'm gonna put this adapter on there, and I might make a couple videos from there, see if you guys like it. You're gonna see the back of my head and me controlling. I think you get a wider view. Not sure if you guys will like that better than just having the full view in the front here. So I'll try to just do both. I mean, it's easy. You can just keep the mounts there and they're fine. So you can see my excavator set up here. So you got the backup camera on the screen. You got a pretty good view to the side. Just in the back, you're obscured, so that's why they put the backup camera. Some mirrors there. I'm gonna put a mirror on that mount right there so I can see my track on that side. That'd be nice. So Cat makes a mirror for that, but they want like 400 bucks for it. Screw that. I'm not gonna pay that much for a mirror. So I'm just gonna buy a mirror that's made for a side-by-side. They clamp onto these bars and it'll be wide, and I'll just face it down so I can see that. So that'll work good. I got one in my side-by-side there, my Polaris. So I'll probably just order another one. Yeah, so I got AC. I mean, you can see the AC controls, got my radio, got my port for my phone. I can play play Pandora if I want. Pretty nice setup, nice seat. It's got a kind of a suspension seat on it. It's pretty nice. You can see the controls here. Yep, so this is on a Cat 314E LCR 2013 model. It's a nice machine. I love running this thing. I'll do a complete review on it one day. I gotta get to the excavation work, so I'm just gonna video that for now. But I'll get to it at some point. A nice day on a Big Island of Hawaii today. Alright, I'm gonna get back to the excavation.